The objective of the SHARESPACE Port scenario is to develop a virtual reality tool to train a cyclist to anticipate the launch of an attack.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
You're in?
Yeah.
Get your rhythm.
I'm fine. You can start the calibration.
Okay, calibrating.
The user placed third in line in the peloton will need to follow as quickly as possible the launch of an attack of a virtual avatar placed in a second position on the peloton. So the VR tool will be addressed to different populations. On one side we have the general public with demonstration during the Olympic Games as example. And on the other side we have the people who need to work on performance, like athletes or federations.
The first thing we did was to capture motions of elite cyclists on real attack scenarios. We then use column tools to adapt the motions on the target skeleton of our character. And the final step is to give this character a bike and adapt the motion of the bike to the motion of the skeleton. We then inject this set of motions into Unreal Engine as usual. During the simulation, we use data from an inertia measurement unit to calibrate the speed of the application to the cruising speed of the cyclist. We then used this data and other data from the application for further analysis.
Concerning the data analysis, the IMU sensor will give us data about cadence of the cyclist. This data can be analyzed to determine what is the reaction time of the cyclist when the avatar in front of him launches the attack. And we can compare this reaction time between trials where the launch of an attack is amplified or not.
Our next step will be to add the motion streaming abilities of Rainbow to the application and the cognitive architecture to finely tune the training experience of the athlete.